With about 30 years in medical manufacturing industry, Medispec has been able to improve the quality of lives in people around the world using shockwave technology. Medispec is a manufacturing company based in the United States of America. We specialize in manufacturing medical equipment using shockwave technology, creating alternative to surgery. It is non-invasive medical therapy. Medispec is all over the world. We are in about 5 continents. We are in about 80 countries. I'm glad to announce to you that we are in Nigeria as well. This is an opportunity for us to improve the quality of medical practice in Nigeria, thereby equipping our medical hospitals, our tertiary hospitals in Nigeria, both the state specialist hospitals and the teaching hospitals.
The future of medicine is here in Nigeria. It is time to equip our hospitals, reduce medical tourism,